Class, what does distinct mean? Different. What's another word? Unique, right? You want to be distinct from your other classmates or your own siblings. So show me with your fingers, how many times is this going to touch the x-axis? Thank you for showing me your fingers. 4. Real zeros, let's just color code that. Real zeros basically means it's going to touch the x-axis. Okay. Would someone like to tell me a combination they tried? Words, equation. Anybody? Someone said x cubed? Okay. Now, watch how if I use x cubed. I'm going to use pencil. Bless you. Okay. I want you to try to draw a cubic function and then show your partner. 10 seconds. Race to go. What does x to the third look like? Class, what is 0 cubed? 0. What is 1 to the third power? 1. What is 2 to the third power? 8. Your graph should look like this. But class, put your finger on the real 0 for the cubic function. Class, how many is that?
1.
It's only 1. Okay, now you could say that a cubic works. Let's write that. Cubic, which is w to the x power. You can say that this works because it's essentially x minus 0 to the third power. You could say x equals 0. So here's one way of saying it. Here's another way of saying it. X equals 0 with a multiplicity of 3. That means you have 3 of these. Does that make sense? All right. Partner A tell partner B, if I have a cubic, what can I not have here? What color can I not have here, and why? Ready, set, go. We'll talk about it in a second. Roberto, what can this not be here? A quadratic. Raise your hand if you said that. Because class, a cubic means x to the third, and quadratic would be, and x times x means same base, you add the exponents, that would be what? X to the 5th power. So you can't have a quadratic here, class, you have to have a linear. Now, I want to go back. We would have to do a linear such as maybe f of x, the yellow. And if I graph that, I would go through this point right here. So green would look like this, okay? Oops, I did it again. I made a mistake here. Tell your partner why this scenario does not work. Ready, set, go. Based on this description. This one goes through the real 0 here. And the linear goes through here. How many dots do I have, class? 1 dot. Although this makes a quartic function, does it match our description? No, because how many dots do we need? 4. So let's write a note. Doesn't match characteristics. Now, Kayla, you wanted to say what? Kayla, what did you say that made a quartic function? 2 quadratics. Okay, here's the hard part. Which specific quadratics? Do you have one in mind? They don't give us enough specific quadratics. For example, this one goes through twice. Let's write that one. N of x. N of x. N of x would kind of be upside down, shifted up 1 unit. Upside down, shifted. And this would give us 2 of them. But the problem is, there's no other 2 quadratics that'll actually match this. Okay? So we don't have, the low answer, the basic answer is yes, these match to make quartic functions. The advanced answer is that none of the specific functions match to get this particular characteristics.